Today on Forbes, UnitedHealthcare denies more claims than other insurers, angering patients and health systems. The bullet casings from the ammunition that killed UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson reportedly had 3 words written on them, quote, deny, defend, and depose. These words allude to the strategy that some attorneys and critics have used to describe the tactics used by health insurance companies to deny making payment on claims. And the most recent available data suggests that UnitedHealthcare, or UHC, is perhaps the country's worst offender. When it comes to denying claims, multiple reports suggest that UHC, which is the country's largest health insurer and serves some 50 million people, is an industry leader, with a rate nearly double the industry average. A recent Senate report slammed the company for denying nursing care to patients recovering from falls and strokes on its Medicare Advantage plans. And it currently faces a class action lawsuit for its use of AI algorithms to automatically refuse payment. The insurance giant's tactics have frustrated patients and healthcare providers alike. A major protest at the company's subsidiary Optum's headquarters in Minnesota in July attracted roughly 50 demonstrators, 11 of whom were arrested. Disputes with hospital systems over UHC's claim denials have led to some deciding not to accept its insurance at all. Insurance insights firm Value Penguin told Forbes that gauging an exact number of claim denials is tricky, as there's no central repository of this data. But according to one of the firm's reports on insurance claim denial rates, UHC has the highest instance of denials out of all major providers, refusing an estimated 1/3 of claims submitted. The insurer did not respond to a comment request. UnitedHealthcare also has the largest market share of health insurance policies, with roughly $215 billion in revenue. Value Penguin said that based on current insurance plan costs, UHC offers the most expensive premiums in the nation compared to other providers. For example, a middle-tier plan with UHC would cost a 40-year-old person $631 per month, whereas the national average would amount to an estimated $621 per month. The shooting has reignited a national conversation about America's for-profit healthcare sector and many people's inability to afford treatments and medication. Healthcare.gov issuers denied a total of 17% of claims in 2021, with some issuers' denial rates reaching 49%, according to a 2023 report by health researcher KFF. In a 2023 survey of consumers' experience with their health coverage, KFF found that nearly half of adults who had insurance problems were unable to satisfactorily resolve them, with 15% saying they experienced a decline in their health and 28% saying they paid more than they expected. UnitedHealthcare announced a new policy, effective December 1st, by which it may deny charges for inpatient or outpatient services that it considers, quote, routine, which would give the insurer more opportunity to issue denials around specific line items, according to healthcare attorneys at Davis Wright Tremaine. The UHC CEO was shot and killed as he was on his way to a Manhattan investor meeting for parent company United Health Group around 6:45 a.m. last Wednesday. In the hours after, anger and frustration over insurance denials and medical costs bubbled up online and in conversations. One angry poster wrote on X, formerly Twitter, quote, when you shoot one man in the street, it's murder. When you kill thousands by taking away their ability to get treatment, you're an entrepreneur. Thompson's wife, Paulette, told NBC News last Wednesday that she was aware he had received some threats. She said, quote, basically, I don't know, a lack of coverage? I don't know the details. I just know that he said that there were some people that had been threatening him. At the Forbes Healthcare Summit in New York last week, attendee Michael Patton, founder and president of Excel Health Plans, said his initial reaction was that the shooting may have been related to someone whose claim had been denied, given the anger such an experience can cause. As of this recording, police are still searching for the suspect, and his motivation remains a matter of conjecture. For full coverage, check out Amy Feldman and Alex Knapp's piece on Forbes.com. This is Kieran Meadows from Forbes. Thanks for tuning in.